You can start builds on Bitrise either by manually starting one, scheduling one for a specific time, or triggering them automatically by specifying a trigger event. To automatically trigger builds, you need to set up an incoming webhook with your Git provider. This tells Bitrise that your repository has been updated. When you set up your project, you probably already did this. To manage the build triggers for your app, click on the app on the dashboard, then the workflow editor, and on the Triggers tab. You can automatically trigger builds by specifying a trigger event and a workflow. You can specify multiple triggers and add new triggers or remove existing ones anytime you wish. By default, every new app you add to Bitrise will have two triggers. One that triggers the build every time code is pushed to any branch of your repository, and another that triggers a build every time a pull request is opened within your repository. You can change or remove these, of course. In this video, we will show you how the most basic triggers are set up, namely the code push, the pull request, and the tag types. You can set up triggers so that every time code is pushed to the specified branch of your repository, a build is automatically triggered on Bitrise. Let's see how that's done. Select the push option. Click the push branch option. Type in the name of the branch, for example, master. Make sure there are no spelling errors, otherwise the trigger won't work. Select the workflow you wish to trigger, for example, primary. Click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. You can also set up a trigger so that every time a pull request is opened from a specified source branch to a specified target branch of your repository, a build is automatically triggered on Bitrise. Select the pull request option. In the existing trigger, click the source branch and target branch options. Type the names of the source branch and the target branch. Make sure there are no spelling errors, otherwise the trigger won't work. You can leave either the source or target branch fields or both empty. The trigger will work accordingly. For example, if you leave both empty, as is the default with new apps, every pull request will trigger a build. Select the workflow you wish to trigger, for example, primary. Click Save in the top right corner and you're done. At last but not least, you can specify a pattern for your Git tags to trigger a specific workflow. This is a good way to build and deploy your app in a specific state. And it's very easy to set up. Click the tag option. Click plus Add Trigger. In the tag window, add the tag you wish to trigger a build. Select the workflow you wish to trigger, for example, primary. Click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Now you will have some builds automatically started for your app. Happy building!
Feel free to check out other videos on our channel. If you need help with anything else, let us know in the comments. Subscribe!